The AI for the Common Good program has as purpose to help you identify and further explore an AI use case within your own context, but for the common good. It's an interdisciplinary program where we cover economical aspects, governance aspects, societal aspects of AI, also of course technological aspects, because you cannot go without technology. And we help you with hands-on tooling to implement this use case in your organization. Our program is designed for ambitious professionals who are looking to get started with AI within their organization. We see a wide range of the various different roles. We see policymakers, we see product and innovation managers, business analysts, HR experts or legal experts. We see it all. The program is called AI for the Common Good, and the for the common good part is not by accident. We really focus on embedding technology in society, and this creates a unique mix of like-minded people that we attract and also can help each other in these hands-on exercises. We also make use of this opportunity to launch our alumni network to keep the learning going even after the program has ended.
I'm Margarita Goulam. I'm a labor sociologist and social law specialist, and I work for Urban Brussels, which is the public service of the entire Brussels capital city region in terms of urban planning, cultural heritage, and urban revitalization.
So my name is Stu Roels. I work at the VUB. I work at the Tech Transfer Office, which is in the Innovation Department Center, and we're looking for innovation projects or innovations that we can bring to the market so we can valorize them from research to market. So the program really broadened my view on AI because it's so much more than just a digital tool. A lot of people think of AI as just as a tool they can use, but it goes so much deeper. It goes in so much more layers than you first will think of. And then of course also the whole setup of the AI goes from law to the technical department, from people to tools. So it's very broad and deep in all directions.
So AI is not only about technology. AI is also about people, and developing AI systems, especially for the common good, is also partly preparing people to collaborate with these AI systems. So what I actually learned is that developing AI systems is also to have different profiles around the table, not only machine learning engineers or IT developers, which are of course crucial to elaborate and design these AI systems, but you also need different backgrounds in terms of economics and business, people and organization, and of course governance with the more juridical aspects of it.
An important insight from the training is that when you use AI or when you think about AI tools, it's very important to think on what you actually want to accomplish, what goal you want to reach, and then take it back. It's like you have a problem and you want to think of a solution, but you really have to figure out your problem very thorough, because otherwise you cannot come to that actual solution. And if you jump too fast towards your solution, then you might not actually get what you want.
What I actually learned in the postgraduate degree is to make AI explainable from the design phase, to really have this human-centered view about these black box AI systems, which are often really difficult for people to understand, but really to use basic language to explain these complicated systems.
Coming here gave that extra insight from the professors, showing you how much of a mathematical situation AI actually is, and how important it is to, as I said before, define your problem and really find the whole coverage of the problem. AI might bring a solution, but if you don't cover everything, then you're working towards something that might not be the solution you're thinking of.
to develop these AI systems or to gain knowledge about AI, it's also really important to know what AI can't do. So really to know the state of technology at this point, and to not expect that AI will replace humans, but that actually we will collaborate with AI, and that we will actually increase our own capacity when we will understand how AI is working.
Being here in all the different classes, from, for instance, law, something you don't think of from the start, but it shows you, I know I need the data, but am I allowed to use the data? And so it really opens up your mind in a lot of aspects, and I think that's the strength of this postgraduate, that it touches all these different elements of AI.
So when you first think about artificial intelligence, you think about this really technical field with machine learning, IT developers who have this biggest play in it. But actually what you learn in this postgraduate degree is that you really have a 360-degree view about what AI is as a trend in time. It's actually a multidisciplinary science where you have as much as that data and technology is as important as is the people and organization side, as the governance and the juridical side, and also the economics and business side of it.
By having this postgraduate, it shows on how many layers your issue might have an actual problem you need to define. So it goes in so many layers where you think first it's just a digital tool, but there's so many more questions you have to tackle before you can say that AI might bring a solution, because often it might show that what you think AI can do for you is not actually the thing that is the most easy to go for, or that was the solution you thought of in the beginning. So it's very important to really dive deep and to know what you're looking for, to understand what AI can bring as a solution.
So to also get more different profiles around the table, I think it's really important that not only machine learners, IT developers get the chance to be a part of this AI story, but that we can actually have more different kind of profiles around the table.
If you have a long career ahead of you, if you want to take up an important role in a company, then you need to know AI. You need to know the basics. You need to know what it composes of, how to handle data, what it means handling data in your company, in society, and that you need to see the bigger picture, and you can only get it if you touch all the different elements of AI. So I would strongly recommend people to dive into it, and this is the right environment where to do it, because you talk to professors, you can really go into depth, you have your case study you have to work on, so it takes you through all these different elements, and that's, I think, very a strong case for this postgraduate.
If you have further questions or you want to find out more about the program, you can always visit our website or send us an email at academy@fari.brussels for more information.